I'll be showing you exactly how to save your Claude AI conversations as PDF files, so you can archive your work or share it with others. We are going to use a specific browser tool called AI Chat Exporter to make this process effortless. First, open the Chrome Web Store on your computer. In the search bar, type AI Chat Exporter. Save Claude as PDF, MD, and more. It is important to find that specific name to ensure you get the right features. Click the Add to Chrome button and confirm the installation. You might see a pop-up asking for permissions to read the page content. This is necessary because the tool needs to scan your chat window to format the text into a document. Once the extension is installed, head over to the Claude website. If you already have a chat open, you must refresh the page. This step is vital because it allows the extension to load its custom controls directly into the Claude interface. If you don't see any new buttons after a refresh, try closing the tab and reopening it. Now, select the conversation you want to archive from your history. Take a moment to scroll through the entire thread to make sure all the messages you need have finished loading. The exporter will capture every prompt and response in the exact order they appear on your screen. Look toward the bottom of your chat window for a new button labeled Select. When you click this, a menu will appear with several file formats. You want to choose the PDF option. While the tool supports other formats like Markdown, PDF is usually the best choice because it preserves the layout and is easy for anyone to open. The important thing is to confirm you are on the right chat before clicking Generate. Once you press that button, the extension begins compiling the data. For very long conversations, give it a few extra seconds to process. The file will automatically download to your computer's default folder. Open the PDF to verify that your inputs and the AI's replies are clearly separated. If you plan on sharing this file, quickly scan it for any private information first. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.